How to record screen on laptop with audio using OBS. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna see the interface of this app. So what you're gonna do is if you want to open a new recording, you're gonna click the plus button right here and you will see display capture. So once you open the display capture, you will just go ahead and say okay. And if you want to adjust the settings, you can always do that, and if you want to adjust the quality as well, you can always do that as well. And if you want to capture the cursor, which is the mouse, and if you don't want to, you could just leave the check mark. So once you open the new capture, you can see it right here. What you're gonna do is as well, we gotta go ahead and click the plus button, and you will see the audio input capture. So we're gonna click on it, and as you can see right here, the audio input capture. And if you want to add the microphone that I'm using currently, or add another microphone that you're probably using, you can always do that, and you can just click OK. All right, and this way the PC can hear what I say through my microphone. The last step, we're gonna just go ahead to our settings, okay? And we're gonna just go ahead to our settings and see what do we have on our settings right here. Sorry. Okay, and once we open our settings, you can always see the options right here. If you want to edit the audio, and you can always change the sample rate, desktop audio, and if you want decay rate, and if you want just to scroll a little bit down to see monitoring device, and if you want desktop audio to enable, to push, to mute, and if you want to edit all of that, you can always do that. Once you go back, you will see the output section as well. You can always see the output, and here you will see the output mode, simple, advanced, and here you can change the video bitrate, the audio bitrate as well, the video encoder, and you can see right here the audio encoder as well, and you can edit all of that the way that fits you right. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.